y'all? It's CP. Today we're gonna be doing devil's cooked rice. I believe that's what it's called. I think it is devil cooked rice because it sounds like devil meets Prada. That's right. So this recipe actually I think started out in Japan and then like got hella popular on YouTube, and the internet just like hella blew up about it, and I don't know, I slept on it a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And it's never too late to try a recipe, and I'm super excited for this. Big fan of chicken, big fan of rice. I usually do eat chicken with my rice, but you know, this time it's putting all the ingredients together and I'm really excited for it. This recipe actually just calls for KFC. So we have KFC, Jollibee, and Popeyes, and I wanted to see if, you know, give them a go against each other for this particular recipe. I want to give it a try, and so this is what this video is going to be about. So we're going to start with just 2 cups of rice. This is my rice I'm obviously using. Thank you Ranch 99 for, you know, being replaced by my rice. And yeah, let's see in the comments below. Is it Ranch 99 or 99 Ranch? I think growing up, I called it Ranch 99. And then for some reason I like switched in my adulthood to 99 Ranch. And like now I'm just like, I don't know what it is. Ranch 99, if you're a representative watching this, can you clarify in the comments below? I still got some string in here, whoops. Okie so we got our 2 rice, and you're gonna need to clean it. So I can run water through it, and you know, give it a nice shake, get a nice squeeze, really get that dirt and other things out. Really clean your rice. You see how it's all muggy? You want to pour that out and basically repeat the process. Alright, so that's about 3 times. That's usually pretty good. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up. So make sure your rice is flat and you're just gonna stick your finger in. Beautiful. Alright, so hit the line. We're good. If you are using chicken base or chicken stock, this is when you would actually put that in here instead of the water I did. But if you are using some chicken bouillon, this is where you will pop this in. We're gonna pick 2 teaspoons of this powder. There's 1, 2, repeat, 1, 2. Next we're gonna add some soy sauce, and it's not really clear on how much soy sauce to put in. So what I'm going to do is about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon, I think. You know, it just adds for flavor. Yum. Okie dokie. So next is the part where we get to add the chicken. And so first I am going to do in this bigger pot our KFC. This is original, the original recipe. It's not the crispy one. 2 pretty big pieces. So this might be some white meat or a thigh. Like meat side down, you know, where there's like more skin and meat. Let's take a second one, and ooh, this looks confusing. There is no down. Let's put that in there. Cool, cool, cool. Okie doke. And then we're gonna take this side and let's add some Jollibee into this. Thick piece right here. That face down, and just stick that in there. So you guys can see the inside. This is KFC. Inside its pots, and this is Jollibee over here. See? Cool. And we're gonna close these lids. We got all of our recipes in. We have all our ingredients in. We're gonna hit the cook button here, and we'll come back. And basically, once this is complete, I'm gonna actually repeat the process for Popeyes. Here we got our Popeyes cooking now. Ooh, yum. I think next we're supposed to shred the chicken inside of here. Yum. Well, I missed all of Popeyes twice because my phone storage was full. But here's Popeyes. Here's how it turned out. Okay, so that's done. That was fun to make. That was actually super easy to make. You need to be really careful when you're shredding the chicken. So first I went hella ham at like the first one, and then there was hella bones in it. And so I think just in general, KFC usually ends up having like more bones in like their larger meats. So I got bones everywhere in the rice mixture. And so hopefully, I did my best to try to pull it out, and hopefully I won't eat too many. And then I got it right again when I was doing Jollibee and Popeyes, because it's always the first time. And then the second time we get always a little bit better. And then the third time I was like, yes, I got this, I'm a pro now. and then my camera, I didn't realize wasn't recording. I had a full memory, and so I missed the entire shredding of the Popeyes, but it's okay. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna go from left to right. Basically, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it based on, if you watch this video here, I'm gonna click a link. So I'm gonna start from my least quote-unquote favorite, even though they're all my favorite, at Popeyes. So when I was doing the Popeyes shredding, the meat was a little more drier compared to the other meats. So I don't know if it's just because of the chicken or the chicken I chose, maybe it's because of white meat. But I definitely chose white meat for KFC too. And it didn't come out as dry to shred. So for Popeyes, I used the spicy. It actually has a nice kick to the rice. That's pretty good. Now I'm excited to try the other one. So here we got Jollibee. Jollibee of the three was the juiciest. It was like, I was shredding it, I was hella drooling. I was so tempted to like eat off my fork. Honestly, actually filming all of this, it was super hard to resist trying them as I was like making it. So let's give this a try. Oh, and also the chicken in this one ended up being more stringy compared to the other ones. I don't know what that means. Okay, this one, you could definitely tell like it has the Jollibee chicken flavor. So it's super apparent and super juicy, and actually it's pretty good. And my camera's about to die, so I have to make this fast. KFC. So this one I heard is like the winner of it all. It's obviously the original. So, you know, I wonder if there's just a biased opinion there. I get it. And so this is super flavorful. Like all the spices from the skin definitely have been absorbed in the rice. KFC's the winner. And then Jollibee. And then Popeyes comes in a little last here. They're all very good. I definitely think you guys should give it a try. Because again, maybe it's just a biased opinion on your chicken flavors. Maybe the spices in KFC is too much for you. Or maybe the spice in Popeyes is too much for you, then maybe Jollibee is the way to go. It does have a little bit more like sweetness taste to it. I wonder if that's just from the marinade they use for their chicken. This definitely has really good spices in it, and I think I have to give this to KFC. So I hope you guys give it a try. I'm gonna go eat this, and there's hella, so this is what we're gonna be eating all week at the house. All right, later, y'all.